Adeline, can you hear what I'm saying? No? You can't hear me? Do you hear the lawnmower outside? Oh, now you do. Oh, now can you hear me? No, oh, now you can. You're funny. You can't hear anything now. You got your fingers in your ears. What are you doing? What are you doing? Adeline. Pull your fingers out of your ears. Yay! Now you can hear me. Yay! Bye-bye.